Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get free money, unlimited dice, and extra cash on Monopoly Go. Okay? So this is Monopoly Go. This is the application itself. Of course, the first thing is, of course, you need to have Monopoly Go. Let me just remove the sound of that. I'm sorry about that. So again, this is Monopoly Go. As you can see here, it's actually a nice game. And then make sure you have this one. You log in, everything is good. You just need to play. Okay? Make sure you can play it properly here. Now, with that being said, I want you to go back to your home screen and then go to settings right now. Click settings right there. And then once you're in settings, this should be your landing page. From your landing page, I want you to search in background app refresh. So from here now, I want you to make sure you have your own on Wi-Fi and cellular data and just look for Monopoly here. Make sure it's properly on. Make sure it's properly installed, okay? If you can't find Monopoly, that means it's not dedicated enough to be in here. However, just make sure you have this turned on, okay? Make sure you have it turned on and make sure everything is toggled here. Just being sure everything's good. That being said, once it's enabled, once background up reverse is enabled, I want you to open your Safari. And once you're in your Safari, just type in Google first. I want you to go back to the landing page so you can follow me all throughout. So this is Google. And once you're in Google, I just want you to type in VIP plugin. Easy as that. So type on the very first result. It should say that one. And from here now, this should be your landing page. It has a lot of application, has a lot of things you can go through. And just type on, of course, Monopoly Go. Here you go. Now, apps required. Follow the instructions on the next screen and complete 2 apps download. That being said, before it doesn't require this one, but since a lot of people are using now, this is being exploited. It's asking for another application to be installed before you can finally use the plugin. Anyway, make sure you have Monopoly Go installed on your device before installing this plugin. And as easy as that, after you install this one, just go back to your Monopoly Go, just open it, easy as that, and you'll see your money increasing and your dice rolls increasing also. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.